In the exponential representation, it is no clear definition of how a number is supposed to be represented. Because the same number can be represented in several ways. To enable a uniform representation, the numbers are normalized. Normalized numbers of exactly one digit unequal to 0 before the decimal point. In the decimal system, this digit is in the range 1 to 9. In binary system, it is always 1. Here you can see two examples of normalized numbers. Both times it concerns the number 259. However, once in the decimal system and once in the binary system. Denormalized numbers can either have several digits before the decimal point or a 0. For both cases, you can see two examples here, using the number 259.
Subscribe to our channel and share, like and comment our videos.